Hey guys, what's good? Elders from Top Trading Reviews. Right, today I'm going to show you a scalping strategy that you can use on the Forex market. So let's begin. Let's start with NZD/USD. I'm not sure what's going on. Data unavailable. There we go. Everything's fine. So we're going to use TradingView for this example. I just like the charts better. You know, it's the same thing over here, but I just like TradingView. It's just much better. I'm so used to it. The first thing we're going to do is just identify the support and resistance zones. So very easy to do here and here. And the reason why we're not doing anything else, because that's where the market is currently. We don't want to mess about. We don't want to add any other indications, because that's where we want to trade, because it's scalping. We enter the trade, we close the trade. Very easy to do. 2 minutes trade and 3 minutes trade and close off. That's what we aim to do on the scalping basis. So what we're looking for in the 30-minute time frame is some sort of mid zone. So we can see a mid zone over here. There we go. There's the mid zone. We can mark it with yellow. Then we have a look on the 15-minute time frame. What's going on in the 15-minute? Yeah, the upwards trend. Now it's having some sort of exhaustion, and it should be pushing back towards the upwards direction. But let's have a look on the 5-minute time frame. We can see the trend a little bit better, but we need to have a look even on the 1-minute time frame. So what's happened on the 1-minute time frame? Let's just zoom in a little bit on all of the action. Let's just draw the trend line. There we go. This is the trend line currently. If you don't know how to draw normal trend lines, because some people draw just bad trend lines at all, you can use the line chart. The line chart over here is going to help you draw a proper trend line. You just match all the touches with the trend. As you can see, 1 touch, 2, 3, basically 4, 5. And there we go. So this is the trend. And now let's just reopen the candlesticks. It's much easier to see what's going on. Right, so we have our trend. So we had our break towards the downwards direction. As you can see over here, we had our break. So what's after push? Exhaustion. And now there should be a push towards the downwards direction. But because we have this middle zone, we don't know whether it's going to be able to break this yellow zone. We can wait for a big push towards the upwards direction and sell the trade. That's what we're probably going to do, because it was on an upwards direction. It broke out. It's probably going to go down. So that's what we're waiting for. As you can see, it's pushing towards the upwards direction. We can enter this trade short now. Where is this NZD/USD? So there we go. This is the trade. We can just open it, sell, boom. There we go. Minus 1,338 euros at the moment. But this is scalping. I scalp big. And as you can see, it's pulling back now very nicely. And it should be fine. So let's see, 730 currently. Obviously, spread difference is kind of screwing me over a little bit. But let's see. So it's going back up. Very intense over here. So what we're waiting for is, obviously, we had the push, we had an exhaustion, and we should be going down. So we entered this green candle over here because it's just a better entry point. Now it's going up again. It's forming another trend, so that's fine. We're just gonna carry on and keep our trade open. We have a big enough balance. But if you don't have a big enough balance, you might want to be more careful. But basically, I know it's gonna go down, because it broke our previous trend line. Upwards trend line was broken by this big push over here. So it should be going up now and should be going down. So that's what we're waiting for. So the candlestick is closing. As you can see, it's finding a lot of self-sensitivity over here, which is good for us. What do we have over here? 730, 800, 200. Okay, so we're nearly in the profit. We just need a big push towards the downwards direction. Maybe somewhere here we're gonna sell it. Close the trade. So let's see. We're just waiting now. There we go. Big push. See what's going on. 243. There's an update. There we go. We see some profits. 243 euros currently. No more euros currently. It's fluctuating a little bit. We just need the markets to give us a little bit of time. You need to be patient. So there we go. It's pushing again. It might be bouncing back off this 550 EMA line I have. So it could be a nice time to close the trade, but I'm going to risk it a little bit. I think it's going to break towards the downwards direction, because he has already broken the trend. It's probably going to go down. So that's what we're waiting for. So there we go, 851. I think we can close this trade, close out, close. There we go. The trade has now been closed. Very nice. Profit 851 euros. Very easy, very nice. And that's what you do. You wait for some sort of break. You analyze all the, you know, support and resistance areas. Get your mid-range zone over here. We waited for this break. Obviously, this break happened, you know, prior to filming, but I was analyzing the market anyway. I just showed you my thought process throughout. We were waiting for a break. There was a push. After a push, there's exhaustion. And then usually just goes down yet again. Currently, as you can see, is another exhaustion, and then it's probably gonna push towards the downwards direction on the NZD USD pairs. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I earned like 800 euros, and very easy to do, very easy strategy that you can develop in your trading and hopefully make you a lot of money. So this was Elders from Top Trading Reviews. Hope you enjoy my videos. If you haven't joined already, join my VIP Trading Signals group. If you like trading robots, there is a very good one. It's called Crypto Trixie, and there's a link for all the services down in the description below. Hope you enjoy these videos. Take care. Have a nice day. Love you guys. Goodbye.
They stayed on my soil. The grass might be greener on the other side, but not for the ones who left me out to dry. I can forget, but I never forget. Money is power, but can't buy respect. If you've been focused on credit or debit, then I'ma pay you a reality check. Some of the richest be feeling depressed. Material shit don't compare to the rest. I move around with my real ones.